In this tutorial, I'll be showing you different ways on how to put images into your professional portfolio. So to start, make sure you have a module to put your images in. So you can use a rich text module, which is usually already on your page, or you can add a module. You can use the image module or the gallery module, as well as you can adding a new rich text module if you want. I will go ahead and add one of each. That way you guys can see how they are different from each other. So this will be the gallery one. Okay, so once those are on there, we're just going to reorder those. And we'll just hold off on that. So we have a rich text here, the image, or also known as the media module, and then the gallery module. So the gallery module we'll use for multiple images. The media module is just a single module where you can only put in media such as just an image or just a video, and you can't put text in it necessarily. And then the rich text allows you to put text and images, so you can use either one. Go ahead and click on Edit to start, and we'll be using the rich text first because most of you guys will be using this one here. Once you're in edit mode, go ahead and click on any images that are in your module that you don't want to use, and you can just hit the delete button and get rid of that if you want to. To put in a new image, go ahead and just put your cursor where you want your image, and it's going to put that there. So for example, if I want my image right here, I'm going to put my cursor there and click so that it's blinking in the spot that I want it to be. So then click on this button here, Insert Media, and it will allow you to choose your image from 3 different tabs. So you can choose it from your computer, from the web, via these different sources here, or if it's not on this list, you can use this last tab to just put your image through. So you can use the URL or embed code. Most likely it's going to be an embed code for this portion here. So I'll demonstrate from your computer first. Choose your file, and you can just double click on your image and it will put that in there for you. Once it's complete, you will see a preview of it. And then you can choose your alignment, so you can choose either left or right, making it so that the text wraps around your image, or if you don't really want that, or you want your image centered, then leave it alone as no alignment. So make your selection and click on Insert. Once you have inserted that, your image will be in here, and it will have a blue highlight with some white squares around it. You can go ahead and use these squares to resize your image however you want. And once you let go and click away, then your image should look normal. And once you're happy with everything, go ahead and just save and publish, and clicking on Publish Changes to make sure that definitely publishes. Then you can click on View Text to see what you've just saved. Moving on to the media or image module, you can add a single image by clicking on Replace this media. This time I'll demonstrate from the web. From the source, I'll go ahead and choose Flickr, but like I said, you can use some of the other ones if you want. On Flickr, you will just click on your image, look for this button here, it's called a share button. Click on the embed option and go ahead and just copy this link here, go back to your Digication, and sometimes you might have to click this again. Choose media from web, choose your source, paste that, and click on done. And then you can go ahead and publish that, publish changes, view media, and your image should be right in here. So the last option is the gallery module, and like I said earlier, this is for multiple images. So go ahead and click on Add Media. You can choose any of these, so you can choose one from your computer, you can choose the second one from the web, and so on. You can mix and match. Just go ahead and do what you want, choose your files, and I'm going to select all the images that I want, click on Open, and wait for each of them to complete. And then you can click on Done. Now you'll see your images in here. You can move them around if you want. You can delete them if you want. Just confirm. You can choose the layout that you want of your thumbnails, either on top or on the left, or numbers if you want. You can continue to add more media if you want. So if I want to add another one here, I can do that and click on done, and my image will be here. You may not see the thumbnails right now, but they will all eventually show up. You can also change images if you want to. So if I wanted to use that from Flickr, then I can use that one as well. So like I said, you can mix and match them. You can actually put captions on these as well, and then just make sure you save. And you can even add a link to the site if you want to. So do whatever it is that you want with your gallery. Then when you're happy with it, click on publish changes, and then view gallery to see your gallery. And whoever is looking at your gallery can navigate with the numbers or next or previous. So those are different ways you can add in some images to your professional portfolio.